Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Walmart app order history to a new phone, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Walmart app order history to a new phone, start by ensuring both your old and new phones are charged and connected to Wi-Fi. On your old phone, open the Walmart app. Log into your account with your email and password if prompted. Once logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines where the profile icon usually found in the top corner. Select Account from the options presented. From the Account menu, scroll down and tap on Order History. Take note of any important order details you may want to reference later. Now, on your new phone, download the Walmart app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the downloaded app once the installation is complete. Sign into your Walmart account using the same email and password you used on your old phone. After logging in, tap on the three horizontal lines or profile icon in the top corner on your new phone as well. Select Account from the menu. Scroll down and tap on Order History to view your transferred order history. You should see the same order history that you had on your old phone now displayed. For additional access, consider linking your account to Walmart's website on a browser. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section to verify that your order history is intact. This process ensures your order history is available on your new device without any hassle. That's all you need to do to successfully transfer your Walmart app order history to a new phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.